Hello, welcome to EF Capital TV. I am excited to be with you again today. I want you to know that in this channel, we bring you financial information in a very informal way. Today with me in the studio is Andy Terry again.
Thanks for having me. I'm so excited to be with you today again.
Thank you very much, Andy Terry. Excited to see you guys. Today we are looking at the 3 best tools for technical analysis in the FX market. We have a lot of our people, audience, and friends are asking what are the best tools to use in analyzing the FX market. So I think it's worth considering for a while. Now it's good to understand how to analyze the FX market. But as a matter of introduction for those that are not very familiar, you want to know that the FX analysis is the practice of determining which currency pair is likely to be stronger over a given period of time. You are trading 2 currency pair. This one is maybe like you're using in this case we are having here we are having the step index. We are this steps index here, and it's not directly like a mixed currency pair when we're having Euro USD and other this different market structure from the Euro USD, BTC USD currency pair structure. But however, it still works in the dimension of a currency pair, one being stronger than the other for successful trading. So forex traders can use this knowledge to purchase a particular currency pair. Let's look at the Euro USD in particular. If you are seeing that one of the currency pair is stronger than the other, you can decide to go for one either on a buy structure or on a sell structure. So that's why it is good to know what tool to use in analyzing the market. Like we have on our board, we have over here the green and the red candle. This is the choice that we use on our chart to set up the market. There are some people that use ordinarily black and white candles. These things are the candles. But what we are concentrating upon today is the tools that you're using. In particular, this is a tool, this is a tool, this is a tool, this is a tool. So right now, I want us to look at this particular tool. This 3 lines you're seeing is called the moving average. Moving average. What has been your experience in the markets with these tools that you are saying? I know sometimes. But how does it
moving
talk
average
to me?
is very helpful.
It's helpful.
Well, yes, when it comes to do with trading.
Trading, yes.
Moving average, 50 moving average,
Yes.
20 moving average,
Okay.
200 moving average.
All right.
It's very, very helpful.
It's helpful.
So
Yes.
it's something for you to really pay attention.
Right. Now, I want to explain a little what moving average is. This is one of the most used technical indicators by forex traders, by FX traders. So it calculates the averages of the market, market movement over a period of time. So that's why we have the 20 moving average, we have the 50 moving average. But like in this case, this 200 moving average is assumed to be the final closing or average of a particular movement in this market.
Okay.
The black color
movement.
is a 200 moving average that we say is a choice of any trader. You can decide to use just the 20 and the 50 moving
The
average.
red color is the 20 moving average.
Yes, while
While
this
the
one
blue is the 200
the
moving
50
average.
50 moving average.
Okay.
This is the 200 moving average that we have set here.
Okay.
Now, this moving average helps to know the direction of the market, the movement of the market, where it is actually going to possibly terminate. Because if you see, the market will move upon a particular line. Because like this is a sell situation, this is the closing of the sell. When it moves above that, it becomes a buy situation. So up there is a final indication of the total end of the market. Towards the end, the market is crossing that black line, which is the 200 moving average. All right. So now, if you working with this, because we are not going to real technical explanation of this, but we just want to let you know what are the 3 best things you should use as a trader. That one of them is the moving average to do your trading or your technical analysis. Another thing that we have considered as being important is the fractals. Terry, the fractals issue, it took me a while before I came to understand the fractals and the use, because the bottoms are so many. What was your experience? How do you find it when you started using fractals? Was it comfortable?
Yes, the fractals is also very, very helpful because with your fractals, you know where the end of the market, the movement of the market, where the market might likely return, or might likely go to the buy or to the sell.
Like in this one,
yes,
this is the end.
That's the fractal.
That was the end.
Fractals will make you to know the end of the movement of the market
at this particular point.
Yes, at the particular point.
Then joins here.
Yeah.
And joins there, and then we have like a triple bottom here, with the market like bounce. So this was like a confirmation that the fractals actually indicates to you when the market confirms itself per time, or when the market direction is going, right? So all along the charts of the market, whether in a 1 day time frame, because this is 1 minute time frame that we are using here, if we change the time frame to maybe something like 1 hour time frame, you'll see that
give you a
different look of the whole market. This step index. So that is how it is when you are using this as a technical tool to analyze your market. Another thing I want us to look at is the Fibonacci levels. These are used to predict the FX, the movement of the market, to assist the trader to know where each price movement each price movement comes to an end. So what level the price is likely to reach. So if you take your tools to take a Fibonacci line, actually there's the way we set it, but you need to cross it from a particular fractal point to the next point to see if the line actually aligns. The Fibonacci tracement lines, as it goes across the chart, will enable you to see this. By the time you curve a triangle out of this, you will be able to possibly see the direction or the end of the market. Please let us know this. Everybody sets their charts in the way they can understand. Like in some people's chart, you will not see this. This is not necessary. This is not necessary. You don't need to have this. But for this particular market, that is how we set the charts. There is no if you have anything to say in respect to what we are sharing right now.
Yeah, the Fibonacci line is also very, very important, because the Fibonacci will help you to know the line of the movement of the market, how the market is moving. If your line is actually straight, if you set your line in a proper way and make it straight, I think it is very helpful. It will make you to know where the market is going and where it might likely stop or bounce back. So the line is very important. I think you need to know that.
So if you have at least these 3 charts, if you have at least these 3 things in your chart, it's going to help, because some people's charts are just blank. They don't have anything that will guide them. You just look at the candles. You can't use just the candles to determine the price movement. You need to be able to check exactly what are your own indicators. Like in this place, you're trying to set the market understanding around here and so on. Well, that is how far we can go, but just take note of this, that these 3 indicators in your chart will help you to know how to navigate the market. The time frame also matters. We are trading on a 1 minute time frame, trading on a 5 minutes time frame,
15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 week, and 1 month.
So you need to know
those are the time frames.
Yeah, you need to know exactly what you are using. But also,
maybe in our next video we are going to show you what is time frame and how to make use of it, and which of the most important time frame you need to hold
on to. Thank you very much. We appreciate. Thank you for being with us. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share if you don't know who it might help.